guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the premium Jeffree Star mystery box for the summer edition. I've gotten all three of his boxes for Thanksgiving, for Valentine's Day, and then now this one. So this is a premium one, so this one has a mysterious lipstick shade that will never ever be made again. So I am excited. Okay, this is what the box looks like. This is what it looks like inside. It's just wrapped inside green tissue paper like that. So I'm just going to open this up. Okay, so we got a third pop socket. I have a pink one, a red one, and now this orange one. I got a liquid frost in the shade Frozen Peach. Okay, we're gonna open this and we are going to swatch it on our hand. That's what the packaging looks like. This will be my first liquid frost. How does it go? Like this? Okay, we're going to put a little bit on our, okay, I guess a lot on our hand. That's what it looks like, and this is what it looks like when okay, so I put way too much on. So we're just gonna put that up our arms. Oh, this is so pretty. It leaves you so shiny. Okay. Has like a pink reflective glow to it. Okay, so can you see that? Okay, you can see like the pink specks, but it is just glittery. Okay, I'm gonna be sparkly all day. Okay, now for the next one, we're gonna save the mystery shade for last. Ooh, this is called Area 51, and this is a lip ammunition. I am so sparkly. That is not picking up on camera, but ooh. I'll put in a clip of what it looks like in under a flash. Okay, but let's just move on to this liquid lipstick, and this one, I mean, not liquid lipstick, this is a lip ammo. Look at this packaging, is so sparkly too. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, we're gonna swatch this. Not your everyday shade, but it works. Okay, so that is one. This one is called Karma, and this one is a liquid lip. So let's just pull her out of there. Again, beautiful packaging. Okay, let's swatch her. Okay, so my swatches are coming out horribly, but that's what she looks like. And again, that one's name is Karma. Okay, and now for the mystery shade. This one is the one I am super excited for. Let's see. All the rest of them were green. Let's see what color this is. Oh my gosh, look at that. And this is a mystery shade, and it's just called mystery, I guess. It's just a mystery on there. Let's watch her. Okay, so this is a really nice pink shade as shown right there. Okay, well, this box was definitely worth what I paid for it. That mystery shade is beautiful, and I will definitely be wearing this. But thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!